Yes, hello. So, welcome to this channel. My name is Isack Ochieng or Isack the Designer. Uh, I'm very excited to have you in this platform. So, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Uh, then you comment below, and then we proceed with the design. So, today I'm going to teach you on how to design this uh, birthday design using your smartphone. So that is wasting time. Let us rush to our tool, that is Pixel Lab. So when you check at this tool here, this is the design I was working on. So I'm just going to check on the image size, that is 905 by 1280, and then we exit, and then we start designing interface. So click on this and then you exit. So after exiting, now let us come and then we work on the image size, that is 905 by 1280. So click on the third icon just below here, and then you change the background color to white. Okay, so when you change the background color to white, it is going to help you know the end of the margins of the design when you are doing it, because the design itself is going to contain a white background. So it is better to change it so that when you check above there, you are seeing the black uh, ends. So that is going to guide you on the end of this design. So let us click on the shapes. After clicking on the shapes, press on the black. After pressing the black, then you increase it, and then we click on this icon and then we lock. So after locking, click on import, and then you locate to where the background that you are going to use is. So this is the background I want to use. This is the background, not this. There's a background here. Yes, this is the background I want to use. So just click on it and then you increase the size, and maybe copy, and then you delete the first one because the other one is blurry. Okay, that's why you have deleted it. So lock it. So I think we are now seeing the size of the design that we are going to work on. So after that, we import again, but sorry, I want us to import the picture that we are going to use. We have three pictures. We have this one, it's the first one. Just increase it, you copy it, because the first one, when you increase the size, it is blurry. So just copy it and then it is done. So lock it, and then we bring the second picture, that is this one. Okay, also do the same, and then reduce the size a bit, place it here. Okay, so lock it too to avoid them from moving. So after that, click on the shapes, and then come to the opacity, reduce to 0. Click on the stroke width, increase to 35, and then blur radius, increase to 25, and then use your fingers to combine this together like that, and then mark it down. Okay, so increase it, increase the size there, copy it again, and then after copying it, we are going to merge them together, and then we change the color to white. Change the color to white, then you lock them. So after locking, I'm going to click on the last picture, that is this one. So I want to flip it to the right. Click on this point here. I want us to say face right direction. Increase, and then you copy, then you delete that one. So make sure that you crop it a bit. Make sure that you crop it a bit, and then you place it here. Yes, just crop it and then place it there, then you lock it. After locking it, I want us to work on something. After locking it, I want us to work on something. Let's click on the shapes. Radius increase to 100. Shape opacity reduce to 0. Stroke width increase, and then the blur radius also increase. So after increasing it, use your free hand to reduce that. Okay, so this is another way of creating a shadow. Okay, so just increase the size like that, and then you make it like that, then you reduce the size. After reducing the size, let us come to the rotation icon like that, and then come to the 3D rotate. Yes, things like that. Hope you are marking the angles, and then bring it to the back of this image, and then use the positioning icon to move it down. Okay, I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So make sure that the opacity reduce to 45. Copy it, send it to the back, and then you can use that relative position to move it below, and then you balance it. Yes, after that I'm going to click on this, and then I bring in this icon. I'm going to bring in this one here. So let me reduce the size of this first picture. After reducing it, then I'm going to squeeze the second one a bit like that, and then the shadow also I'm going to squeeze it upward. Let me unlock it, and then I increase it by myself. Okay, like this. Copy it again, and then send it the same position. I hope you have seen what I've done. And then bring this right up now. Okay, lock it. So after locking it, I'm going to type in the name. Let us place a name here, Emily James. Let us have it like that. I'm going to use this font here. There's a font I'm going to use. It is called DNext W1, I don't know, heavy, something like that. So make sure that you change the color to black, and then after changing the color to black, you can increase the spacing to 41. So after increasing it, just balance it well, and then click on the next. I'm going to import an icon. So I hope you have arranged your work like this. I hope you are, because decisioning it is making work easier when you're locating your designs. So that's also a point of concern when you don't know. So let us place it there, then we lock it. Okay, after locking it, I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to come to the spacing, and then I restart it. So I'm going to click on there, then come to the alignment, just click center alignment, then you come and change the color to white, and then now we make the editings. So we are going to use the date, today's date, that is 2nd of July. Okay, 2nd of July, then you place it there. So after that, let me import this design that I was working on, so that I see what is lacking, so that we go fast because of time. I'm rushing because of time. Okay, so I'm going to bring in another flower here. I'm going to bring in a flower. This one, and then I send it to the back there. Let us rotate it like this. Copy it, and then rotate it again. Then just bring it below here. Then you lock them. So after locking, I think we are done. Let me summarize. Copy that the font that we used to write the date, and then we write precious. Place it there. You can decrease the size a bit, and then come here, come to the background text, enable it. We can use this color from this flower. There's a color from this flower, that is this green, but now you see it is here, so just balance it well, that green color. Okay, you can check on the color code, it is 068B64. Okay, and then come to the radius, increase the radius to 10, then copy this, bring it here, and then we are going to write adorable. So after that, so I'm going to use this color, sorry, I'm going to use this background, this one. So I just got it from the red color in the color palette. So you can check on the color code, that is #7A2020, then you click on it. I think we are almost done. Yes, now let us move this one, and then we consider it done like that. I think everything is well captured, only that let me work on this icon that is the icon that I'll just use to act as the background for the date. Come to the color filters and then hue, let it match with that flower, that blue. So up to there it is negative, it is 136. Saturation 21, brightness -30, then contrast a bit 20. Okay, so you can work on those codes and then consider done. I think when you check on that icon, the color that I've used in the background texture for the adorable, you are seeing it appearing there. So consider done and then save your work. You can save as a project, you'll edit for future. Maybe if you don't want to save it as an image, and then custom. So save it as ultra quality, ultra, and then save it to gallery. Okay, so after saving it to gallery, it is done. So let's come to the editings. Click on the snapseed, don't worry about that one. Click on the open and then we work on this a bit. So increase the details, structure 50, sharpening 75. After that, click on the tools again, click on the tune image. You can work on the highlights, reduce highlights to -20. What? -19. Shadow 12, and then ambience 21. I think when you have designed, so make sure that your work, today you have got me here, I'm explaining this to you. When after you have designed your work, make sure that you edit your work like this so that it looks professional. Okay, yes. And because today is my birthday, so I'm going to show you something here. So when your editing stops in the snapseed, click on the export here, and then you click on the save, create a copy of your photo, save it to gallery. But some people have been telling me about when you go visit my page there, I've been posting it. Maybe someone is having a problem on how to, because some clients are rejecting them because they are using smartphone. No, so click on this, save it as export as that one, and then it is going, you are going to show it there. So just click on it and then you can edit, and then you write maybe Isack. Let me just write birthday design, then you save it. When you check at this thing, when you are going to send it as a document, and then it is going to show you the exact. I'm going to show you on how to send it. Let me finish the editing first. So come to the, where's that PixArt. I'm not going to do much. That is the one I was working on some hours ago. So click on the editor's image, make sure your data is on. Mine is off, but make sure that yours is on. Yes, I have this is a pro version of PixArt, so maybe you have not updated it, so it is going to disturb me. So let me just go with it like that. So click on the picture, on the design. So after importing it, we have tools here. We have effects, retouch, I don't know what. So I'm just going to rush quick. Make sure that you follow this page. I know you are enjoying this, so kindly follow, like, and comment. If you are hearing this voice, just write massive, and then we proceed. Just write below there massive, and then we proceed. Okay, yes. After that, uh, click on add photo. Some people have been inboxing me about having a problem not to use Lightroom. I don't know, not Lightroom, but light effects without, when the backgrounds are not removed. Just add a photo. After adding photo, click on the recent here, up here, and then locate where your Lightroom is. So I'm also going to send you the package for the Lightroom. So just click on the Lightroom, this one. Okay, now they are here, light effects. They are here. Let me choose one or two. Let us choose this, and this, and maybe the last one. I'm just demonstrating. I'm capturing everything. Okay, they were not supposed to be in this design, but I'm just capturing them. Sorry, leave those things there. So click on the first one, then just below, sweep to the right, and then click on blend. So you're going to blend it to the screen. Okay, the screen. You see the background is gone. Normal one, then the background is gone. So just increase it like this. After increasing it, you can increase it like that, then you place it there. Then shift to the left, you can reduce the opacity a bit. Then you mark it like that. So because it is on the covering the background, sometimes it might move. So click on here, and then you lock it. Then you click back. That is layers panel. So click on the second one, and then blend it to the screen too, and then consider it done. Okay, you can bring it down here. This one is just to demonstrate. I don't even know where I'm going to place it. I was just demonstrating. I was finishing capturing those problems that you have been talking about. So let us see if it can work. After blending to the screen, sorry, after blending it to the screen, I don't know where I'm going to place this thing, because it was supposed to be here, and then okay, so I think you have seen it. This one, we just reduce the opacity. Okay, you can place it anywhere. So that's just by then. Maybe if you could have added something here, it could have looked very nice. But let us just rotate it like this. We place it anywhere, because it cannot go like that. So reduce the opacity like that. Okay, then you click it done. After that, click on the effects, click on HDR1, and then just inside it, you're going to see some of the adjustments. Just unsharp this to 24, blur radius to 16, and then fade 18. Mark it done. Okay, after that, download it to your gallery. Good. Then you exit, you close, and then you exit. So after that, last part of it, I'm going to click on the Lightroom. Where's that Lightroom? This one here. And then you are going to make small editings. Just going to adjust few to show you what to do. And so don't allow. I'm done. Yes. Click on this pixel from pixel, and then yes, click on it like that. So click on the edits. I'm going to go to the effects, texture. Just increase the texture a bit to 12, clarity maybe 20. Okay, maybe 20. So it depends with what you want to do there, how it's going to show itself in your design. Here's to 11. Come to the details, increase the amount to 30, radiance 1.2, and then details to 30. Okay, reduce the noise to 20. So the first step is done. Save it. So when you're going to save it, export as, click on it. So I'm going to make some editings here. You see, file type JPG. You can, it depends with what you want. You can change a JPG, a VIF, DNG, I don't know. So let me just show some editings here. I'm going to include watermark in this, but in yours you may not include. So customize, and then the file name, I think you're seeing the text there as Isack, the designer graphics. So that's watermark, so no one can steal your design. Okay, yes, you can place it anywhere. Balance the size, you can increase the size or reduce the size like that. So opacity, you can also increase, decrease, or reduce it a bit. So mine is there. Horizontal offset, you can send it, the data, send it to that space, but this opacity I want it to be visible. And then vertical, you can decide to make it to be there, and then come to the color, you can change it to white. Okay, you can hide it so that no one can steal your design. You just hide it, and then you see what they say. Let us hide it there. Yes. So after that, click on back, and then more options. You can check the name. So importance of this, come here and then customize. You click on here, enable custom name, and then text birthday designed by Isack the designer, or you can write the name of the client that you are working on. Okay, yes. Output sharpening, you can use glossy paper, matte paper, or the screen, but let me leave it on the glossy paper. And then amount, it is the standard. Okay, and then color space, I'm going to use Adobe RGB. Okay, yes, and then click back, then mark it like that. So it is saving. It is saving just like that. So you find it, I'm going to do comparison. Let us rush here. Comparison. When you imagine this is the client, imagine this is the client, and then you want to send the design. So click on here, and then click on the document, then choose from gallery. This is the last design. I want to use the first design that we use. This is the first design. Click on it. Are you seeing the quality is 2.4 megabytes, and also the file name is not there. So when you change it, it's just going nameless. But when we check on the last one that I just edited, check on the quality size, 3.8 MBs, and then name is birthday designed by Isack the designer, and then you say, and the client will be very happy. So I hope you have really enjoyed this thing. Make sure you don't skip by subscribing, because I'll be dropping many as possible. So thank you for watching this. May God bless you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, the comment. Massive. God bless you.